Epic stare down in British accents.
And black and white, or in. Okay, yes. Cut a railroad track. Cut.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Epic stare down in British accents.
Or however you spell it.
And in black and white. Dun dun dun.